All right, we have small line of storms coming in. I don't think there's any thunder. Don't think I see any rotation, but I don't know, maybe. So all this looks pretty elevated, except that one portion down there, and that's gonna be kind of around that portion of the storm. That a little scuddy, but still mostly elevated. This part of the storm is a little bit lower than before, I believe. That's definitely still the lowest. Just heard the first rumble of thunder. Alright, rain's about to start. Nothing's looking too interesting, and there's not really much lightning and thunder as well, so I'm gonna head inside. There's some thunder. Nice. I think those are 2 CGs, like one in that area, and then there's one down there. Look how dark that is over there. Looks like this is trying to form a little shelf cloud here. You can see all that rising motion there. This is coming in quite fast. And that's like right there, so let's go. Nice. Oh my God. Awesome. Got it. Shut up. Oh my God. Okay, that was the best one.
That was so cool.
I saw the lightning bolt over there.
I saw the window shake. That was so cool.
I saw it right over that tree.